Alright guys, another beautiful day. So I installed JBLs on my Mercedes. As I said before, I was planning to install rocket fast kit on this vehicle, but JBL, I love the JBL, so on my F-150 also it's gonna go to JBL speakers. I'm gonna take it off all Alpine system 888, and that's it. We're gonna run. I'm not gonna touch any settings. I'm gonna just, throw this JBLs on the door, 6.5s, and that's it. We will test. All right. So, oh, my son was sitting in the front. There we go. Loudest, maximum sound. A lot better. So of course, not even close to my F-150, because I have a full amplifiers and a lot louder than this, because the F-150 runs a 6.5s and I have subwoofer and a lot better amplifier than this. This one, just a speaker swap, the huge difference. So you can hear the bass a lot better, like subwoofer type bass, but it's not the loud like crazy bass, but it's 100 times better than stock. So conclusion is definitely worth the speaker upgrade. If you guys thinking about to upgrade the speaker, definitely go ahead, purchase one of the JBLs, or you know, kickers. Even Rockford Fosgate is very nice speakers also. But I love it how it came up without any problems, without any sign of anything change. Just get better sound quality. The bass is a lot deeper. I have a subwoofer also, like I have small subwoofer on this. Never heard before about the subwoofer. Now I have a deeper bass and the sound louder and a lot cleaner. So you're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna put the before and after video. And yeah, that's it, that's about it. And I'm gonna change on my F-150 pickup truck. On my F-150, if you watch the other videos, I upgraded, it's not echoing from that building. That's how it was allowed on the F-150, and I believe these JBLs, it will play the same way like Alpines, even better. Because on my test, I love how the JBL sounds, and I love how the Infinity Capas handles the power. So we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna switch, and the same time one side I'm gonna put Capas and the other side the JBLs, and we'll see which one I'm gonna keep it with actually installed sound output, right, with the amplifier, strong amplifier. I'm thinking to get Orion amplifiers. I love that company, but it's a little pricey, like around $700-800. The amplifier I want it, Orion's. We'll see. Keep in my channel, subscribe, so you're gonna see a lot more videos about the speakers, about some radars. I'm actually using the radar detectors now because every single place we have cameras, so I don't want to get a lot of tickets, so I'll do the comparison. And also I'm using all my vehicles like these guys, like the dash cam. So must have the toys for your vehicle. Of course you're going to use the dash cam, you're going to use the radar detector, and it's going to save a lot of money, those things. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye for now.